everyone, this is Sammy Create Heart, and I am back with another haul. So I need to get crafting and not just hauling, but what can you do? So the first thing I want to show you is honeybee stamps. So I used some points that I had for my birthday and so on to get this one, which is called Lovely Layers Stacked Stories. And it comes with this little thing that kind of helps you put things together. And so this is part of they had a book release. And so in the book release, you have to buy the entire, it's like a kit that you have to buy. And it's a good price, but I just wasn't interested in buying the whole shebang. So I didn't get it. But this is an add-on to it. And I have a lot of book stuff, but I did like this one. I think it's very cute. And then there's a stencil. So I got that plus the story labels stencil. So this helps you do the coloring for it. If you wanted to color, you could use the stencil. So I did get that. And La La Land Crafts, which I need to get going on my La La Land Crafts stuff. I don't think she's going to be doing a summer class. I didn't see that there was a summer class that she was doing, but I'm hoping that she decides to do one. Maybe she won't. But she had a, for her summer release, you could do a pre-order and you could get a really good discount on these items. So I went ahead and got it because I liked it. So everything is falling down. So let me get the things that fell down, because if I don't get them now, they'll be lost forever. It's like a bummer. So there's this. I think a pen fell too, but that pen might be going to the gods. Okay, let's get going here. So got a lot of things. So we got a lot of dies. So there is a die that came out from her that's very similar, except it's square. So this one is rectangle. So there's that one. It makes like a, you could do lots of things with these tunnel style dies. This one's intended to be more the sea. And then some palm trees. This is a porthole. And then this is kind of a fun sort of die that I need to watch the video on how to do it, but it's an interactive die. So I hope to be able to use that one this summer. And then we got one Marcy, which is this one right here. It's called Simply Be Marcy. And then we got in this pre-order, 2 different Claire stamps. One is called Puffin By, and it's got these cute little puffin dudes. And the other is See You Later. So it's got a cute crab and turtle and octopus. Very cute. And then we got some paper. So their paper is pretty cool, in my opinion. I think it's very cool. And so I kind of wanted to show you a few of the papers so you can get an idea of how to, if you have to decide on what to get. This paper is pretty cool. And then I'll go into the Not Too Shabby shop. So this one's called By the Sea. So you get these really beautiful images. Okay. So just really beautiful. You can't really tell too much from that. So that is just lovely. And then this one's called Summer Mix. And I never would think to buy paper like this, but what Irina does with this paper is she finds really creative ways to utilize this paper. So like some will represent the sun, and some will represent the ground or the trees or whatever. So it's fun. I'll be interested to see what her and the design team do with the Summer Mix paper, but it came with a kit, so I got all of that, and I'm kind of excited about it. And I just need to find time to use all my fun things. Okay, the other Not Too Shabby shop. Now, I have not even used my one from last month. That's just, I need to get going with it. And the reason why I don't really buy her boxes and stuff anymore is not because I don't love it. It's because I have too much stuff. And anyway, I have too much stuff. And the other thing is that the ephemera. There's only so much ephemera I can use. That's why I was just like, oh, more ephemera. So Not Too Shabby Shop subscriber, there is an exclusive discount that we get. And we get this that tells us all the different ways to find her. And then there was a free gift. And so this one is a fairy tale themed, and I use my other fairy tale products from her quite often. I have used those quite a bit. Now, these are big stamp sets, so it's kind of fun that she's moved to, instead of 3 smaller sets, she's doing these 2 like bigger ones. So I think that's kind of fun. So usually we get a little something. This one is a green tea packet, which I do not drink green tea. I find it bitter. I'm a black tea girl, but that's okay. No worries. Mermaid, I think my daughter will drink it. We'll see. Mermaid Dreams. So this is like a sea themed paper in sort of purples and pastel type color, purples and teals mostly, and double-sided papers. And then this one, and this is to go with the Ariel themed one. And then this one is Enchanted Wishes. I think it's supposed to be more Snow White themed. So that's this paper. It's very pretty. I'm going to have to find other ways to use it as well. And then we have the 2 sort of themed ephemera that go with the paper. So we have sort of kind of sea themed and has mermaidy and Ariel themed and all of those kinds of situations. So I'll put this back in here. And I think it's just a matter of being like creative, because there's like seashells and other things that maybe could go with other items. Just find ways to utilize the ephemera in, not just like in a card. And I think they are good for tags too. I like doing birthday tags. And just putting all this stuff back in here. And then the other, what's that one? The other one is a Snow White themed. And it's just to kind of give you an idea of some of the fun sort of themes. Okay, so some ways to utilize that. And then we get a pack of card fronts. These are all princesses. So you could just put a sentiment on here and it could be a really easy card, or you could cut her out for a tag for the front of a gift bag. And here are the, so here's this one. This is the Ariel theme. So this one definitely has that Ariel feel to it. I think the style is very Ariel. Okay. This one, I think you have, is a stretch, that it's Snow White. I think you're going to have to color her a certain way to get it to really feel Snow White-ish, but I still think it's very cute. And so this one is called Once Upon a Time, and this one is called Mermaid Magic. So this is a 6x6, and this one is a 6x8. But this is a great sentiment. This one also. So there's some great sentiments in here. So I just thought it would be really fun. I don't know if I'm going to continue because, like I said, I am behind. I still have the ones from last week that I really want to use, and I just have not gotten a chance. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Sandy Cream the Heart.